Here are some of the reasons why I got these 200S air purifier filters for my LEVOIT Air Purifier device. I'll show you how to easily install and be giving some quick tips. I got this 3-stage filtration system to absorb smoke, pet odors, cooking smell, car exhaust, pollen, pet dander, lint, dust, hair, fibers, and pet fur. You can replace the single pack H13 True HEPA filters every 6 to 8 months. Now I'm going to show you how to install and give some quick tips. Note, you could actually install the filter in either direction. On this True HEPA LEVOIT Air Purifier is to make sure before you plug it in, make sure you remove the plastic from your filter before you use it. Easily remove the air filter from the bottom by turning it counterclockwise, and releases open, comes right out, put it back in, turn it clockwise and lock. To extend the life of your air filter, you can vacuum this air filter every 2 to 4 weeks. Keep your device 15 inches minimum from any object. The Smart WiFi app actually determines the lifespan of your air filter depending on the usage. Here's closer detail of the 3-stage H13 Grade True HEPA filter, compatible with the LEVOIT Core 200S Air Purifier. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.